Hi, you're watching Professor Plays. Today I'm playing a Factorio Death World. I realized I haven't been saying Factorio when I've been doing my announcement there. Just been saying Death World, but I guess you knew it was Factorio. That's what the title of the video says. Hey, I'm standing out here by one of the extra copper mines, right about there, because the copper on the bus is quite weak. You can see it's quite weak there. So I'm going to do the remote smelting deal and load up on a train with some copper plate and then do an injection of copper plate into the bus. Before I started recording, I've been doing some tweaking. Let's see, what was I tweaking on? Oh, these things weren't lined up, so I lined them up. Kind of moved everything around, got them all neat, tidy, and there's those iron plate smelters are out here now, 4 of them. And it kind of gets inserted into the bus, various places down the bus, so that iron plate looks pretty good now. Red belts, well, it's not full red belts all the way, but it is all the way down to the end. What else did I do? Oh, I upgraded some of these machines. These are now machine 3s, and I don't remember if these were 3s or not, but they're upgraded to machine 3s now. I don't think they were. Anyway, so I've been doing some upgrading of the machines. I've just been watching the science packs to see what was weak and trying to upgrade the factory as necessary to get science flowing a little more quickly. This copper is still weak here, but that's what I'm working on copper. In fact, that's what led me to put the extra copper smelting out there, is when I was looking at the science packs, how weak they were, and I said, oh, it's copper. So I'm working on copper. What else did I do? I did something else. I don't remember what it was. That was minor tweaking, I think. Oh, I did. Okay, yeah, I did a couple minor things. Increased the belt buffers and that sort of thing. And I've been doing some shelling of the biters out here using the targeting remote in preparation for extending the wall. I want to go somewhere out here. I don't know where, but I want to get a wall around this extra uranium out here. So I just been periodically picking up the targeting remote and seeing who's out there. Some of these are just false, old reports, I guess, old echoes. And I don't know if these are going to be a problem, but since I can reach them, I send them stuff too. I figured they might like it. Send them a few things. The big circles, the big blotches there are the bases. And then I've been doing a little exploration too with the little arty exploration here. Oops, you gotta hit inside the circle though, like that. Those little red spots are worms, they won't move, but yeah, send them something too. I don't need to send these guys anything, but since I have the stuff to send, might as well. Don't want them to feel left out. Oh, I've already got targets out there, and like that, and there. These are just worms, but I don't like red blotches on my map. And this one. And these guys are real out of play, really, but let's send them some stuff too while I'm at it. There we go. Okay, so I want, let's see, I'm going to need to load, I'm going to need to smelt, and I'm going to need to load. May not have left myself enough room here. Smelting and loading. Do we have room for both of those? What's the smelting one look like? Center feed. Center feed. How many of you can I fit in here? Or I could well, let's see, where's my loading going to be? I could do this. Or that. I'm not sure. let's see, if I do if I did this here, I could have 2 of these here. And if I went up this, well, there's not much room up here either. And I can't really do it like this. There's room down here though, so I could do smelting here if I wanted to. So if I put you as close to that electric pole as possible, that might look like that. And then if I put you even with that one like that, that will work. And then if I wanted to do 4 more, I could put them down here. That will work. And then if I did rail, load one side, and if I did that like right there, that would work. And then, how many belts are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a tiny little piece over there, which doesn't even count. You can go this way, little belt. Okay, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there is 5. And let's just make you go up this way. And I don't care if it's not really balanced. There we go. Now there's 4 output belts. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So now we can do, let's see, where's the first one at? The first one's over here. We could do like this. And like this. And maybe like that. Like that, and then you could go down here and you are the input like this. Like that, and then you could go, oops, too far away. You could go down here like this. Okay, wrong key. So there's 2 of them. And then, yeah, I might as well set up all 4 of these right now. Why not? So then you can go down here. Let's line you up like that. What's in the way here? Oh, something. Oh, it's an electric pole's in the way. Well, let's put you right there. Like that. And then you can go over like this. Like that. So you, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's fine. So this can go here. That goes there, this goes here, this goes here, ran out of belt. Like that. Okay, and then you need to be connected down here. You are the input right there, and you are the input right there. Oops. Like that. So there's 4. And then if we had this balancer over here, like this, that would be fine. And you could go there. Like that. And then you could go. Let's see, where are you? You are here. Right? Yes. You are this one. And you are this one. And you are this one. I think maybe goes in there, and you are, let's see, where's my copper color? Copper color would be at the copper unload right here, but you are not copper unload, you are copper, oh, actually you're not copper oops, you're not copper ore load. You are copper plate load. Copper plate load. Like that. Okay, I don't know. Let's do one train for now. So you are copper plate load, yes. With a train limit of 1. Okay. Something funky going on here with these signals. You're just probably, well, you were there already, weren't you? We'll put you up here. Like that. Okay, you're mining, you're smelting, you're loading. You're onto a train. Alright. And then, I don't have a copper plate unload. Where do I want my copper plate unload? I have copper ore unload, but not copper plate unload. I probably could put copper plate unload along this line up here. And I'm going to want to inject it onto the bus. So somewhere up here. So let's go down here somewhere. Figure out a good spot for copper plate unload. So here's all the extra iron plate coming in. Right here. Copper plate. Yeah, it's weak all the way back here. So where am I? I'm standing there. And copper plate is weak there. So I could do right around in here somewhere a copper plate unload. So rail unload one side. Not load one side, unload. Oops. Unload one side. Will you fit? Ooh, not really too good. How about on this side? That's better. Let's see. So, well, actually, it doesn't matter, does it? Doesn't. Well, kind of matters. Let's see. Where's... okay, I could go down this way a little farther and unload. Where's that at? That will be down here. Where am I standing? I'm standing there. And yeah, I don't want to go down too much farther than where I'm standing. Do I want... I want a balancer is what I want. I want to put a 4-to-4 balancer on this unloader. Okay, I'm going to put the unload. Oops, sorry. I'm going to put the unload on this side of the rail so I have room for a balancer. So let's put that. Let's put that there. Oops, not there. You moved right at the last second there, person. Game player person. Right there. Like that. Trees in the way. Okay, you are going to be... You are going to be... Item equals copper plate. Unload. Oops, that's not right. Oh, because I did it wrong. Yeah, alright, let's... There you go, copper plate unload. And you need the copper color. Well, I'll just put the copper color in there. Copper color is not blue. Copper color is a lot of red and some green. Like that maybe? That looks coppery enough to me. Maybe it could use a little bit more, a little bit less of you, a little bit more of you. Yeah, good enough. Okay, so you are called copper plate unload, yes. Okay, you need some electrons. There's some electrons. And let's do a 4-to-4 balancer. I built one of those just recently, someplace or other. Where did I build that balancer? It would have been... I was going to just do a copy-paste, and now I don't remember where I built it. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Build another one. So let's go this way. I'm going to go to the right. Yeah, let's go to the right. Let's go to the right. Actually, I didn't like the first time. It was right the first time, and then that goes like that, and now like that and like that. I think that's what it goes, like that. Like that. Oh, I don't have any belt. Okay, let me grab some belt. Wait, I don't want to wait on the bots to bring stuff up here all the time. And then I may want to inject the copper plate at different points down the line. Because it gets pulled off, you know, continuously down the bus there, the copper plate gets pulled off the belts. So I might want to inject at a couple different places. That's what I did with iron plate. I don't know if I really showed very much of what I did, but iron plate injection is happening in multiple spots down the line. As it gets pulled off, it gets weak, and I would run another belt over there and inject more iron plate. I'll probably do the same thing with copper. Just run down the bus and inject it wherever I think it needs it. So that can go like that, and like that, and like that, and like that. Like that. If you're new to the game, there are blueprints out there with balancers. That's what this is, the balancer. It just, well, it does what it says. It gives you an even distribution of material on the output. You can have mixed distribution on the input, you get even distribution on the output. Okay, so now where do I want... Let me go to map view, it's quicker. Where do I want copper? Actually, I could use one here. Is there a corridor? No. There's no corridor for bringing down a belt. I could bring a belt down there. Actually, that would work. Where are you? That's not bad. Sorry for the rapid scrolling. I need another passageway here. A convenient passageway. Well, there's kind of one there. Okay, that'll work. So right between those two, give me some red belt, please. And let's go right here. Where am I going? Like that. So there's one. Like that. No. Yes. Oh, I'm going to hit something, aren't I? I'm going to hit something if I go down there. Let's see if I went... If I had you as a blueprint, that would be helpful. I need to get copper plate down here someplace. And I need to skip over all this other stuff that's in the way. How about there? Like that. That will work. Like that. And you would be copper plate there. And then you would be copper plate there. Like that. Okay, and we could put maybe something like that in there. So there would be an injection of copper plate. And then where else can I inject copper plate? I could. Where's the next corridor? Right here's a corridor. Ooh, there's I don't know, I might want it before there though. That's the one I just did. Well, I could put another one down through there. Actually, that's probably not necessary though. It gets really weak. Oh, you know what it is? See that gap there? I think I probably... Did I do that? Or is it... Maybe it's... Maybe it's going off in waves. Maybe it's not able to keep up continuously. You know what? Let me get this running first. I want to see what's happening once that starts running. And then I will know better where to run the belts and inject the plate. So I'm going to need a train to... Oh, do I have one? Oh, you know what else? Need to fuel the train. Are you in? Are you in? Yes, you are in. So if I had a requester chest, and I were to request, say, some rocket fuel, would it actually arrive? It says it will. And then I could put rocket fuel in my train. And if I had a locomotive, which I have in my pocket, and if I said, put 4 freight cars on there, and if I said go to iron plate load, wait for full cargo, and then go to iron plate unload and wait for empty cargo. Load until full, unload until empty. Thank you, bots. There's my cargo wagons. And you are requesting rocket fuel, which is on the way. And that station is there. And it is stuff to load. So there's my rocket fuel. Yes, there's my rocket fuel. Okay, let's go to load. Train's moving, that's always a good sign. And iron plate is loading, and while it's loading, I'm going to take a quick look to see if my shelling is making a difference. And it's outside of radar range. I don't think there's anything there anymore. Okay, are you guys on the move? No, you're not on the move. It's loading quickly. There we go. And let's see if the unload works. Okay, I'm going to need to turn around because it's going way down here to turn around. That's why I ride the train the first time, because I forget stuff all the time like that. And there it's unloading. Okay, I need to turn around. Rail and wall. You turn 2 so that the train can turn around. Looking at the signals, I just don't want to paste something on top of existing signals. There we go. That will allow the train to turn around closer. All right, and then there is the copper plate. And you're not there. Are you not in Robot Land? You are not. There's a little gap there that's not covered by the Roboport. Well, there's something else to know. So let's extend the Roboport down here. Like that. I don't have any Roboports. Bots will bring one. Come on, I'm in the trees. I'm stuck in the trees. There's a tree in the way there. And that's going all the way down. I think I spliced that in, didn't I? There, and there. Yes, I did. So that's what I did with the iron plate. I would insert the one like that and then check just a bit later after it had settled and see where did I need to do the next one and the next one. If I upgrade the belts and upgrade the factories, it's going to want more and more copper. Basically, I think I'm just going to want to put these in wherever I can. So just where's the next convenient place to insert copper, and I'll put it in there. But that's what I'm going to do. The next thing I want to do, or would like to do, is put in the rocket silo so that we can launch a rocket. I think I'll need to put that down here. Let's see, where is my blueprint for the space science with beacons? Well, this is probably going to be in the way. Well, let's just see what the blueprint looks like first. So, space science with beacons. I think some stuff's going to be in the way. Well, not too much stuff is in the way, but there is a little bit in the way. What are you? You are a large electric pole. And so are you. So you're kind of in the way. And you're kind of in the way. Give me that print. Oh, I just cut power, didn't I? Oh, okay, well, fine, whatever. Oh, I cut power to everything. Well, let's put the print in there first. Science, space science with beacons. Now will you fit? Now you will fit, yes. like that. Okay, now I can put some power back over here somewhere. Like that. Okay, you don't need to be in there because these are connected, right? Yes, okay. All right, and that will build the rocket silo and all the stuff that it needs to fill the rocket silo, feed the rocket silo to build the rocket. Oh, speaking of rocket silo, did I research that? Mr. Rocket Silo? I did research that. So I need to build one of those. I'm just going to, let me just do a machine here. Let's just do something like this maybe. About right there. About right there, and you are going to build a rocket silo. And you need 1,000 steel and 200 processing units. Here, you can have one processing unit. How's that? 1,000 steel, 200 processing units. Do I have engines? No, I'm just trying to dump junk in there. Okay, so I can have bots bring it. That probably could do that. I don't need a bunch of these. I just need one. So steel might be an issue. Steel's always an issue, but can I find 1,000 steel someplace convenient? Just lying around doing nothing? Maybe. Can I carry 1,000 steel? I think I could. Pick up 1,000 steel without picking up 1,000 of everything else. Is that 1,000 steel? Nope. Now is it 1,000 steel? Yes. In the old days of computers, this was called sneaker net. You can think about that for a while. Okay, so 1,000 steel. Processing units. Ooh, there may not be 200 of those. Those are a rare commodity. Well, there's some up here. Oh, there are some backed up here. Well, that's pretty amazing. How about that? I said 200, didn't I? Yes. 200 electric engines. That should be here. Yes. And if I remember correctly, it's 1,000 concrete. Let's see, where'd you go, engines? Oh, first it was pipe. Was it 100 pipe? 100 pipe. I've got 77 pipe. There's pipe around here somewhere. Where is pipe? Pipe is here. Okay, pipe. And concrete. Concrete is made here in the uranium nuclear store. And this box has concrete, and there's 1,000 in it. So there you go. There's 1,000 concrete. And we're making a rocket silo. Okay, you don't need to box up any more concrete for now. And we'll take all the extra stuff out of there. And I'll take that. And there you go. Okay, so there's a rocket silo. Now then, you are requesting rocket fuel and you're getting rocket fuel. Yes. You need circuits. You need circuits. Give me this template right here. So, circuits. Like that. And like that. And then you need iron plate and battery. Iron plate. Iron plate and battery. So there's iron plate. And batteries are up here somewhere. Batteries are up here. Like that. Iron plate and battery. Copper and steel. Okay, so this is going to be copper and steel, like this. Are you connected? Yes, you are connected. And steel is up here someplace. Right there. Can I move you over one? Would be more convenient if you were over by one. Just saying. Like that. No, yes. Right like that. There we go. There is steel. And like that. Copper steel processing units. Okay. That's going to hit. If I go straight up, it's going to hit that mess, isn't it? There, and then there. Yes. So let's move you over. Let's move you over there, like that. That should work. And there is processing unit. How about doing that time? Okay, fine. There's processing units. And this goes there. And this goes like this. Processing units. And then electronic circuits and advanced circuits. Are you going to hit anything? Might need a little bit of manipulation up here to make this work. Maybe not. Let's see, electronic circuits and advanced circuits. Like that. that. And then lots and lots and lots of copper. Well, that's what we're working on. So this is what I'm talking about you know, doing the injection in the belt, because it's going to siphon off a ton of copper right here. So I'll need to do some more injection of copper plate above this point in the bus, like up here somewhere. So this is not going to be enough. Well, maybe no, it's not going to get enough to fill that belt, I don't think. But I don't have any blue splitters. I need a couple blue splitters. Down here they are. And I don't know if I have any, a couple pieces of blue belt in case I need to do some blue belting stuff. Blue undergrounds. And blue belt. Okay. So this was copper. There's copper, and that was copper also, I think. Yeah, that's a lot of copper. There's no way. So I will definitely need to inject more copper above this point in the bus. Let's do that. And then, let's see, that's hooked up, that's hooked up, that's hooked up, that's hooked up. How am I doing on time? Okay, getting close. Steel and plastic. Steel and plastic. Once again, you are not conveniently located. I'd like you to be over one more. If you would please. Steel and plastic. Like that. And like this. Like that. And this, and this, and this, and this. And this, and this. And that. And plastic. There is steel and plastic. Like that. Okay, steel plastic, is that flowing? Yes it is. That's flowing, that's flowing, that has stuff. That has some stuff. That is connected, that is connected. That is connected. Rocket fuel's coming in by bot. And this is for the satellite. Did I research that? No. Here, let's do this. Space Science Pack. That put a satellite in the rocket, and when you launch the rocket, you get space science. You get 1,000 space science for each rocket launch. That requires a space science, and all these require space science after that, I think. Okay, so when that satellite when that space science pack research completes, then I can put the recipe in there. That's what, 2,000? That's quite a bit. Well, that's almost done. Atomic bomb is. Okay. All right. I'm almost out of time anyway, but so the research, I'll let the research run off camera. You don't need to watch that. But anyway, this is now connected. Are you doing something? No. You're waiting on low density structures. Low density structures are not running because Oh, they are running. Oh, I just haven't built one yet. Okay. I see them. I see them. So it's actually running. It's going to start building the rocket in the silo. So the low density structures are just, there's one right there. Right there's a couple low density structures. And they're just not making it up there. So it will build our rocket. I don't know. Maybe next time? I don't know. We'll see. I need to go off camera again and check the copper on the bus like I did with iron plate and figure out where I want to inject more copper plate. You can see it's it's nothing down there. So I'll go through and inject more copper plate like I did before. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you did, please click on that thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.